family, and friends, we gathered together here in these beautiful surroundings to witness the wedding vows that Matthew and Pauline will make to each other on this day.
Pauline and I have loved you since our first date. We raced some go-karts at the mall, saw a movie together, and shot some pool at the pool hall. It was a wonderful day for me, finally meeting the person I would spend the rest of my life with. I didn't want our first date to end. As I dropped you off at the end of the date, I promised to myself to always cherish you, to provide a wonderful life filled with laughs and amazing memories to finally look back on. I promise to listen to everything you say, because words can't do it. I vow to show you for the rest of my life how much I love you.
Mahal ko mi amor, my love, Matthew. When we both met each other, I thought you were a weird guy.
I am.
That you will kidnap me, but in the end of the night, you capture my heart.
Aww.
You show me how a lady should be treated. I saw your dedication when you used to pick me up at the Farmington, even if it was winter season. I know I'm going to spend the rest of my life with you, because being with you, it feels so easy. It's like breathing.
Now that you have both pledged your love and faith and sealed your vows with the giving and receiving of rings, and have expressed your dedication to each other before God and all of you gathered here, it is by the authority vested in me by the state of New York that I now pronounce you husband and wife, and what we have joined together, let no person ever separate. Matthew, you may kiss your bride.
Love you.
Love you more.